Welcome to my fourth class on Module 2 Multiple Random Variables. In this lecture video, we will discuss few more problems on two variable transformation. Problem number 3. If x is a random variable with mean of x is given by 4, sigma x is equal to 5, y is a random variable with mean of y is equal to 6 and sigma y is equal to 7. The correlation coefficient is given by minus 0.7. If u is equal to 3x plus 2y, what are the variance of u, covariance of ux and covariance of uy? So they have given that mu x is equal to 4, sigma x is equal to 5, mu y is equal to 6, sigma y is equal to 7 and rho of x comma y is equal to minus 0.7. And they have given that u is equal to 3x plus 2y is the transformation equation. So now I am going to find the mean of this equation. The first I am going to apply expectation on both the sides. So I got expectation of u is equal to 3 into expectation of x plus 2 into expectation of y. So I got mu u is equal to 3 into mu x plus 2 into mu y as a mean equation. Now I am going to find the value of covariance of xy. The covariance of xy is given by rho into xy into sigma x sigma y. So they have given that rho into xy is minus 0.7, sigma x is 5, sigma y is 7. So replacing these values, I got covariance of xy is equal to minus 24.5. So now I am going to find the value of variance of u. The formula for variance of u is given by sigma u square is equal to expectation of u minus mu u whole square. So replacing u as 3x plus 2y and mu u as 3 mu x plus 2 mu y. So I got the equation expectation of 3x plus 2y minus 3 times of ux minus 2 times of mu y whole square. So taking 3 common from 3x and 3 mu x, I got 3 times of x minus mu x. Taking 2 common from this equation, so I got 2 into y minus mu y. So the equation is expectation of 3 into x minus mu x plus 2 into y minus mu y whole square. Expanding this by using a plus b whole square formula, I got expectation of 9 into x minus mu x whole square plus 12 into x minus mu x y minus mu y plus 4 into y minus mu y whole square. So the equation leads to 9 times of expectation of x minus mu x whole square plus 12 into expectation of x minus mu x y minus mu y plus 4 into expectation of y minus mu y whole square. So I got the equation sigma u square is equal to 9 sigma x square plus 12 into covariance of xy plus 4 into sigma y square. So sigma x is given by 5, sigma y is 7. So the covariance of xy what we got is minus 24.5. So replacing all the values and simplifying that, I got the value of sigma u square is 127. So now I am going to find the covariance of u into x. So it is given by expectation of u minus mu u, x minus mu x. So I am keeping x minus mu x as it is, replacing u as 3x plus 2y and replacing mu u as 3 mu x plus 2 mu y. So I got the equation expectation of 3x plus 2y minus 3 times of mu x minus 2 times of mu y into x minus mu x. So by taking 3 common from this equation and 2 common from this equation, I got expectation of 3 into x minus mu x plus 2 into y minus mu y into x minus mu x. So now multiplying this x minus mu x through these two equations, I got expectation of 3 into x minus mu x whole square plus 2 into y minus mu y, x minus mu x, I got it. So now the equation leads to 3 times of expectation of x minus mu x whole square, 2 times of expectation of y minus mu y into x minus mu x. So this will become 3 times of sigma x square plus 2 times of covariance of x comma y. So sigma x is 5 and covariance of xy is given by minus 24.5. So simplifying that, I got the value of covariance of u comma x is 26. So similarly we can able to find covariance of uy. The formula is given by expectation of u minus mu u into y minus mu y. So replacing u as 3x plus 2y and replacing mu u as 3 mu x plus 2 mu y, I got the equation expectation of 3x plus 2y minus 3 mu x minus 2 mu y into y minus mu y. So multiplying this y minus mu y inside here by taking 3 common from these two terms and 2 common from these two terms, I got the expression expectation of 3 into x minus mu x, y minus mu y, plus 2 times of y minus mu y whole square. Now, this equation leads to 3 times of expectation of x minus mu x, y minus mu y, plus 2 times of expectation of y minus mu y whole square. So it will become 3 times of covariance of xy plus 2 into sigma y square. So again replacing sigma y value and covariance of xy value, I got 3 times of minus 24.5 plus 2 into 7 square. So on simplifying this, we got the value covariance of uy is equal to 24.5. Problem number 4. If x and y are correlated random variables with the correlation coefficient rho is equal to 0.6, mean of x is equal to 3, variance of x is equal to 49, mu of y is equal to 144, variance of y is equal to 144. The random variables u and v are obtained by using u is equal to x plus cy and v is equal to x minus cy. What is the value of c can have if u and v are uncorrelated random variables? So from this problem, we have to find the value of the constant c with the concept of uncorrelated random variables. So we'll find that one now. So the given mean of x is given by 3, sigma x square is equal to 49, mu y is equal to 144, sigma y square is equal to 144, and rho is given by 0.6. Now take the equation u is equal to x plus cy and v is equal to x minus cy. So I am going to consider covariance of u and v. So the covariance of u comma v is given by expectation of u minus mu u, v minus mu v, replacing u as x plus cy and v as x minus cy, and replacing mu into u as mu x plus c mu y and mu v as mu x minus c mu y from mean equations. So I got the equation expectation of x plus cy minus mu x minus c mu y into expectation of x minus cy minus mu x plus c mu y. So now from these equations, so I got the equation like x minus mu x is one term, and taking c common here, I got 3 times of y minus mu y. Here grouping x minus mu x one term and taking minus c common from this one, I got minus c into y minus mu y. So I got expectation of x minus mu x minus c square into y minus mu y whole square from by using a square minus b square formula. It will become a plus b into a minus b. That formula I am using here. So I got this expression, expectation of x minus mu x whole square minus c square into y minus mu y whole square. So I got the equation expectation of x minus mu x whole square minus c square into expectation of y minus mu y whole square. So I got the covariance of u comma v is equal to sigma x square minus sigma c square to sigma v square. Since they have given that u and v are uncorrelated random variables, so we will be having covariance of u comma v is equal to 0. So if covariance of u comma v is equal to 0, we got sigma x square minus c square sigma y square is equal to 0. Sigma x square is equal to c square sigma y square. C square is given by sigma x square by sigma y square. It is given by 49 by 144. The value of c is plus or minus 0.583. Problem number 5. The random variable x has a mean 3 and variance 0.7. The random variable y has mean minus 3 and variance 0.6. The covariance of xy is given by 0.466. Given the transformation equation u is equal to 10x plus 6y and v is equal to 5x plus 13y, what are the variance of u, variance of v, and covariance of uv? So they have given that mean of x is 3, variance of x is 0.7, mean of y is minus 3, variance of y is 0.6, covariance of x comma y is 0.466. So now take the equation u is equal to 10x plus cy and v is equal to 5x plus 13y. So now from this equation, I am going to find the value of mean. So I am going to apply the expectation on both the sides. I got expectation of u is equal to 10 into expectation of x plus 6 into expectation of y. And similarly here also, expectation of v is equal to 5 into expectation of x plus 13 into expectation of y. So I got the expression for mean as mu u is equal to 10 mu x plus 6 mu y. Mu v is equal to 5 mu x plus 13 mu y. So now I am going to find the variance of u. The variance of u is given by sigma u square is equal to expectation of u minus mu whole square, replacing u as 10x plus 6y and mu as 10 mu x by plus 6 mu y. So I got expectation of 10x plus 6y minus 10 mu x minus 6 mu y whole square. So taking 10 common from these two, taking 6 common from these two equations, I got expectation of 10 into x minus mu x plus 6 into y minus mu y whole square. Expanding this by using a plus b whole square formula, I got expectation of 100 into x minus mu x whole square plus 120 into x minus mu x y minus mu y plus 36 into y minus mu y whole square. So it will become 100 into expectation of x minus mu x whole square plus 120 into expectation of x minus mu x y minus mu y plus 36 into expectation of y minus mu y whole square. So I got the equation sigma u square is equal to 100 sigma x square plus 120 covariance of x comma y plus 36 sigma y square. So by replacing sigma x as 0.7, sigma y as 0.6 and covariance of xy as 0.466. So I got the equation 100 into 0.7 plus 120 into 0.466 plus 36 into 0.6. So I got 147.52. So now we will find the covariance of the v equation. It is given by sigma v square is equal to expectation of v minus mu u whole square. V is given by 5x plus 13y and mu v is given by 5 mu x plus 13 mu y. So I got the expression expectation of 5x plus 13y minus 5 mu x minus 13y whole square. Taking 5 common from these two and taking 13 common from these two values, I got expectation of 5 into x minus mu x plus 13 into y minus mu y whole square. So I got expectation of 25 into x minus mu x whole square plus 130 into x minus mu x y minus mu y plus 169 into y minus mu y whole square. So expanding this by using a plus b whole square formula, I got this equation. So now I got 25 into expectation of x minus mu x whole square plus 130 into expectation of x minus mu x y minus mu y plus 169 into expectation of y minus mu y whole square. We got it. So this leads to sigma v square is equal to 25 sigma x square plus 130 covariance of x comma y plus 169 sigma y square. So by replacing sigma x, covariance and sigma y, I got variance of v is equal to 25 into 0.7 plus 130 into 0.466 plus 169 into 0.6. So by simplifying this, we got 179.48 as the value of variance of v. Next, covariance of v. So the covariance of v formula is given by expectation of u minus mu u, v minus mu v. So it is given by replacing u is equal to 10x plus 6y, v is equal to 5x plus 13y and replacing mu u as 10 mu x plus 6 mu y and mu v as 5 mu x plus 13 mu y. So I got the equation expectation of 10x plus 6y minus 10 mu x minus 6 mu y into 5x plus 13y minus 5 mu x minus 13y. So I got expectation of 10 into x minus mu x plus 6 into y minus mu y, 5 into x minus mu x plus 13 into y minus mu y. So but now by multiplying this expression, I got expectation of 50 into x minus mu x square plus 160 into x minus mu x y minus mu y plus 78 into y minus mu y whole square. So by expanding this, I got 50 into expectation of x minus mu x whole square plus 160 into expectation of x minus mu x y minus mu y plus 78 into expectation of y minus mu y whole square. So I got the equation for covariance of uv is 50 sigma x square plus 160 covariance of x comma y plus 78 sigma y square. So by replacing the value of sigma x, covariance and sigma y, I got the expression covariance of uv is equal to 50 into 0.7, 160 into 0.466 plus 78 into 0.6. So it will be equal to 156.36. Okay, in the next lecture video, we'll be discussing the two-dimensional Gaussian random variables and also we'll be learning the conditional joint probabilities. Thank you.